Ready for a smarter, more secure front door? With the Yale Assure Lock connected by August, your phone can now be your key. Available in a number of Yale Assure styles, control and monitor your door from anywhere using the August app on your phone. Securely unlock and lock your door even when you're away from home. There's no need to pull your phone out of your pocket or enter your code. The door automatically unlocks and locks for you. And if you forget your phone or your phone battery dies, unlock using your entry code on the keypad. Lock up by simply tapping the keypad. On your August app, create secure virtual keys for friends, family, or people you trust. Grant access for a few weeks, a few hours, or forever. You decide. Once the set time ends, keys are automatically deleted so they can never be reused. Want to know who's coming and going? Track your door's activity with August 24/7 activity feed so you know when loved ones are home. And with DoorSense, always know your door is both closed and locked for total peace of mind. Lock, unlock, and check lock status just by asking Siri, Alexa, or the Google Assistant. At Yale, we believe you shouldn't sacrifice security for convenience. That's why our locks are tested to exceed industry standards and backed by bank-grade encryption. Installation is easy. The Yale Assure Lock replaces your existing deadbolt in minutes with just a screwdriver. And to connect to your August app, simply insert the August module, plug in the August Connect, and download the free app. Available on both Android and iOS. The Yale Assure Lock. Smarter than ever. Beautiful as always. Never any keys.